I am trying to guys, I'm
riding around in my car's low. What you waiting for? I feel like I hit the lotto. What you waiting for? I'm riding around in my girl's eye. What you waiting for? We're riding around.
Hi guys, what's up, it's JeanitaMarieBlue, and today I'm here because I'm going to be doing a review for you guys. If you hear some sizzling in the back, my cousin is cooking, so if you hear anything, that's what it is, and it smells just as good as it sounds. Alright, okay guys, so today we're going to be doing a review on this wig that I'm currently wearing right now. Guys, I wanted to start doing reviews like a month after I had my wig. I did keep the package just so I can show you what the packaging looked like, but what I like to do now is I like to wear the wigs for a while so I can give you the best wig reviews here on YouTube, okay? And that is my goal. Today I'm wearing a wig that I got from divatrust.com. The name of this wig is Sasha, and it is by Sister Wig Collection. This is the packaging that it came in. It came in a really nice packaging. In the front it says Slay, which I like absolutely love. But it did come with like extra padding and extra protection. I mean, like the packaging on this wig was just thebomb.com. Okay, and the color I got this in is Ombre R2 Sunset. So it is this pretty like orange with like hints of pink in it, which I really like. And then of course the dark roots, which makes it easy to blend in, and it just makes it look really natural. I did not pluck the part. I did go ahead and add concealer on the part, and like guys, like I said, I've been wearing this wig for a month. So what I can say about this wig so far is that it's one of those thicker synthetic wigs where you don't have to worry about it like just kind of doing its own thing. It kind of stays in the same place. It's sort of on the coarser side, which I like. And when you do have coarser hair, it's not as thin. If you rub up against it, it doesn't just poof up. So that is a good thing about this wig. It does have two combs in the front, comb in the back, and adjustable straps. I do consider myself someone who has a big head, so it is big head friendly if you do have a larger head. The color selections are great. The parting space is really nice. Like, I mean, how many inches is this? You get a lot of parting space, which makes wigs look more natural, and I love when there's just a long part. Now you don't have any parting space in between. It is just this one part right here, but I have wore this part on the side, on the middle, and also on the other side, so you do have a little bit of versatility there. So this is the card that the hair came with. It just gives you instructions on how to basically wash the hair. You can wear, I haven't washed this hair yet because I haven't added any product to it, and like I said, it's been a month yet, and still this hair still looks like this, which is great. The hair did come cut like this already in this style. So this is the style that you can expect when you do get the wig. If I ever have any stragglers or straightways, because like I said, I have been wearing this wig for a while, I'll just go ahead and trim it up a little bit, but nothing too extreme. With synthetic hair, it kind of, you ever experience like you feel like your hair is like growing, but like growing out a bit. This part is a little bit thicker than up here, but nothing to the point where I feel like I need to cut it off. I think maybe next month, if I do continue to wear this wig, I may have to trim it up a little bit, but for the most part, I really have just been enjoying this wig. The color is amazing. Like the color selections, like I said, you have so many color selections, and like I feel like I just look in the mirror, get a glimpse of myself, and be like, whoa, like this wig is super cute. And so guys, that's really what I have to say about this wig. I will give 2 thumbs up on this wig. I do approve of this wig because it's convenient, it's snug on my head. I don't have to do too much to it at all. It's super low maintenance, and most importantly, that is really adorable, guys. So I love this bob. If you love it, go ahead and thumbs it up. I don't want to make this a super long video. If you do have questions about this wig, feel free to go ahead and comment down below. You know, I'll answer you guys, and I'm always here for you. Just tell everybody about my YouTube channel. I am trying to grow, and all see all my subscribers still adding on and growing. I appreciate all of you. So be sure that you subscribe, share this video. You want to know when I upload, because I bring quality videos about hair, makeup, fashion, travel, and most importantly, inspiration. Guys, if you want to be inspired or get some cute styles on outfits or cute hair ideas, be sure that you are subscribed. My name is JeanitaMarieBlue. Always remember to be blessed, be beautiful, and most importantly, be you. Always be yourself. I'll see you next time. Bye.